Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 rainfall shower system available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Delta Shower System Full Body Spray. The steady, powerful full body spray with forceful streams of water will satisfy all of your showering needs, from washing out shampoo to relieving sore, tired muscles. Consistent temperature. You can rely on a consistent water temperature with the monitor pressure balance valve cartridge, so no sudden temperature changes from toilet flushes or running appliances. Touch clean spray holes. While other products may gather unsightly mineral buildup, the soft rubber spray holes allow mineral residue to simply be wiped away for an instantly refreshed look. Pivoting shower head. Delta shower heads conveniently pivot to find the perfect angle for your shower. Number 4. Pop Sanitary Ware Shower System. Luxury design. The square design can decorate your bathroom very fashionable. We offer matte black, brushed nickel, bold and brushed, polished chrome, and old rub bronze, and even gray option to meet different style bathroom. All metal material. Solid brass rough and shower valve body, stainless steel shower head, and brass ceiling mounted shower arm. Large size. 10 square shower head offering a good coverage to soak your entire body. And swivel ball allows you to adjust the angle of the shower head to meet your expectation as if you are in a luxury hotel or spa. Number 3. BD Shower System. Full body spray with 304 stainless steel rain shower head. Ultra thin and less 30% water consumption with talc clean jets. High quality brass material ensures the quality of water, which providing a better bathing experience and good to your skin. High flow rate and durable Fordham ceramic cartridge with high pressure technology offer consistent, powerful rain shower even under low water pressure. Anti-scalding and low noise design avoids scalding injury caused by sudden changes in hot or cold water pressure. Maintaining consistent water temperature. Integrated with cup certificated hose and built and check valve avoid water hammer noise. Number 2. LO and Allo Shower System. 3 function with 1 switch. Select between 10 large square overhead shower and hand shower separately, or choosing overhead shower plus hand shower simultaneously. Our shower valve comes with built-in diverter. Ceramic disc diverter valve provides smooth and easy function switching operations. Air injection technology. Save up to 30% on water with the innovative air injection technology, which is also ideal for noise reduction. The water and air mixture is a perfect solution for areas with low water pressure. Easy to replace any shower trim kit. Flexibility is the big benefit of the universal valve. Once the rough is installed, future shower function upgrades or style changes can easily be made without altering the plumbing behind the wall. Number 1. SR Sunrise Shower System. Quality promise. All metal sturdy construction. Mixing valve made of solid brass with rust-free. Long life characteristics. 304 stainless steel rain shower head with silicone nozzles allows you to wipe away mineral deposits with the swipe of a finger. Prevent water hammer. This pressure balance valve is built in 2 check valves to effectively eliminate water hammer noise. Pressure balance valves cartridge monitors water pressure balance, helping to protect you from being scalded by sudden changes in hot or cold water pressure. Ultimate high pressure shower. Thanks to the ultra thin design of the rain shower, even in a low water pressure environment, when the water flows out after being squeezed through the ultra small space, it can also achieve a high water pressure rain shower experience. Extra long shower hose, flexible, explosion proof, and anti-kink. 71-inch extra long hose can reach the corners of the bathroom, eliminating cleaning blind spots. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.